Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a different sort of video because I do find these videos therapeutic and I just need to do it. So most of you know I moved house and I'm still kind of settling in and organizing and stuff like that. So I need to organize and declutter, and so this video was like, or even me doing this task was a must. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'm in my bedroom now, and that's pretty much what I'm focusing on. For my wardrobe, I only have this tiny little wardrobe. This literally all this wardrobe space I have. I can't even speak properly, but this is it. It's already packed. I'll give you a closer look. Okay, so this is pretty much inside. I've kept a lot of the stuff away. Like I said, this is not even half the things I have. This little tray underneath was just pure rubbish in there, dumped, and at the top I've just dumped a lot of stuff in there. And then I recently bought these two IKEA baskets from IKEA. I think I need to get 2 more for that side as well. And there's just a bunch of stuff that's dumped in there. Like, I say dump, exaggerate. And I just got the IKEA fashion rack here. It looks pretty organized. I like to keep it that way. And I dump all the rest of the stuff either underneath the bed. Yeah. This is the IKEA drawers that we got. It's not the mom one, which I wished I got the mom one, but I felt they would have been maybe too big for the space. But I don't know, maybe I'm just, I don't know. And it was twice the price. In there it's like, oh my, it's just so, it's so messy right now, and I'm just like, wow, I just need to get my life organized. That side is for Darren, and this side obviously it's not very deep, which is so annoying. So I need to figure out a way to minimize stuff. So now let's get down to it. Let's bring in the dump. Let me bring the dump in. Let's look at the real situation. So this is pretty much all my dump here, and these like bags are all of clothes. This whole suitcase is of like seasonal clothes, and yeah, clothes and shoes. And I got like these things off, I think they got books and makeup, maybe some makeup and stuff, I don't know. Some of them have books and stuff, and decorations and backdrops and stuff like that. Let me see, let's start with like I'm gonna start off with clothes because it's easier, and I'm gonna get some of these things out of the way. I'm gonna get all the paperwork and stuff. I may have to leave the paperwork for another day because I just can't. So I found extra hangers in the suitcase, which I'm actually very happy about. All these extra hangers, so I don't have to buy any more. Like right now. Yeah. And my pile of boxes of shoes and more shoes. So I've finally reached a stage where I can actually do the 3 piles like Marie Kondo says. I love her. The keep pile, the charity, and the bin. So she always says, how does it make you feel? So the first item is this dress. I've kind of worn it a few times. I don't know, does it make me feel good? Yeah, I really like it. I don't wear it as much, but I think I'm going to keep this. So I think I'm going to have my keep pile in this little corner here, and my bin pile over there, and then in the middle, probably on the bed, I'll keep the stuff I'm giving to charity or my mum. To bring out the mirror. I'm having a hard time deciding if I should keep this blazer, so I had to get the mirror here. I feel like I might have to keep it. Like, I have to keep it because it's like a nice blazer. It's just that I think I've had this for like a year now, almost a year, and I have not worn it yet. I think it brings me joy, so I can't get rid of this. I just can't.
And you're the reason why.
Yay! I'm done. Well, no, I'm not really. But I have finished separating pretty much all my clothes. These are the piles. Let me show you. This is the things that I'm giving away or to my mum, whatever. This is my keep pile, and then all these things on here I'm already gonna keep anyways. And this is the stuff that I'm gonna just get rid of. And it's back on the tripod. So now I need to go on to organizing and folding everything up and finding a space for it. Guys, if you do have a suggestion, I don't know, should I actually get the Pax wardrobe system, or should I'm still trying to figure out what items I should buy to kind of furnish this room. So I need some organizing things, ideas. Comment below, let me know. Okay, so just came back from my little break. I had breakfast and my sofa just arrived, so I was really thrilled with that. I love it, absolutely love the colour. And yeah, I can hear the school kids out now. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. I'm gonna try and aim to finish by maybe 3:30 and see. So I'm gonna put away all the stuff in the closet and fold them up, and I'm just gonna get on with it. Just get on with it, Tash. Let's do this. I'm gonna just lift my bed up because these are all my summer stuff that I sorted it out. I've had these for so long, oh my god. But I don't think I'm gonna keep these. I absolutely love these shoes, but I don't wear them anymore because, yeah, they're really nice though. I just don't wear them anymore. So that was a lot easier than I thought. I've finished. I've organized all the shoes. So these are the ones I'm gonna keep. All the stuff on the bed I'm gonna keep, including these as well, and all this stuff I'm gonna get rid of. Alright, so what I've done for most of these boxes, most of the time I've added like maybe 1 or 2 pairs of shoes, just so I can save space. Like literally, these ones have 2 pairs as well. Okay, so this is what under the bed looks like. I had to get rid of a few of the boxes because it just wouldn't hold, and I don't want any more shoes to take up any more space, so anything that couldn't fit I got rid of, literally. This is all sorted for now. Some of my hair products, my hair wigs and stuff like that I put underneath the bed, and the rest of these are stuff that I reach for daily, like my combs and stuff like that. I will find a better storage system for them, but at the moment I don't have a vanity or anything, so I'm going to pop it in the closet area, and it just goes right underneath there. Yep. Easy peasy, and when I want it I'll just reach for it. This is how much products I have right now, and actually I'm very impressed. It used to be a lot bigger than this, so it's improved. So let's get to organizing. Alright, so these are all the products that I'm giving away to my family and stuff like that. Normally I would like to do a giveaway in the future because I just have lots of stuff, but but I feel a bit funny because I've opened up some of the products, so you know, I don't feel like it's hygienic and stuff like that, so that's why I'm giving it to my family and stuff like that. This is all the stuff that I have to go, literally. And this suitcase is empty. Good morning. Yes, it is officially the next day. Oh my god, it took me a while to finish because I had to stop and run errands, cook dinner, all that stuff. So finally finished, and I'm so happy, you guys. Honestly, you know what, that inner Virgo in me was screaming. I just feel my head feels so much lighter. The place is so decluttered. I still have a few bits and bobs to do, but that's the rest of the house. But I'll show you what I've done so far. I'll turn the camera around. So this bit, I've just added a few things to it. It was pretty organised to begin with. I've got a ton of spare hangers, and yeah, it was pretty organised. I moved the laundry basket because this thing wouldn't stay sturdy. It's just, so I needed to just keep it sturdy. Anyways, the closet is very much organised. It's a small closet. Oh my god, I can't believe that's the only closet I own. Well, the bit on in the bed. So this bit up here, I just keep all my, it's all folded nice and neat, and I just keep all my sweaters and stuff in there that I can't actually, you know, keep in a drawer. Oh, I think that's the kettle. Let me go and get that. I think that's fairly color coordinated. And here I had a bunch of shoes earlier. What I've done is I've just put all my hair products in there and the stuff that I'm going to reach for. I don't have a vanity yet, and the bathroom, you know, we'll get around to it. But for now, it stays there. And up top I have these bars. That one needs to go because it's just hideous and dirty, but it's got lots of paperwork in there, and I need time to sort that out properly. But in here I have handbags and scarves and hats, stuff like that. And moving on to the drawers, underwear, socks and stuff. But I'm just so happy that everything is folded nicely. I had these two little containers that I found when I was decluttering, and I just didn't want to get rid of them. So I've just, literally, these are all the tops and t-shirts that I have. Wow. Talk about minimal life. Can you believe these are all the jeans that I own? Literally, I don't own anything else. And then down here is just gym wear stuff. And I did move my hair products drawer into this corner here because I feel like it's nicely hidden and tucked away, and I've organized my shelf to shampoos, conditioners. I've just organized it all, and until I get a vanity I'll just keep these things here for the meantime. But yeah, that is pretty, let me mount this back. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I feel so much better. Thanks for coming on this little decluttering and organizing journey with me, and yeah, until then, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.